Hi all, today we are cooking Hake Roman style. Roman style is how we call a simple and light batter made with just flour and egg. Hake is the most consumed fish in Spain, and this dish can be easily found in the restaurant meals across the country. It will normally be served with a salad on the side, but some people prefer it with chips. We will prepare a lemon mayo that goes fantastically well with this fish and also a very simple side salad. For the mayo, start by adding an egg and lemon juice into your blender cup. We will use regular olive oil as the taste is milder and we want to let the lemon have more prominence. Virgin or extra virgin olive oil will also work fine, but not everyone likes the strong olive taste. You could also mix half olive oil and half sunflower oil. Making mayo at home is really easy and beats by far any commercial one. Just make sure to store it in the fridge and use it within 2 days. Once all the ingredients are in the blender cup, set your blender to medium-low speed and insert it all the way down in the cup until it touches the bottom. Start blending and don't move the blender until you see the mayo is 60% done. Then start moving the blender up very slowly. Once the oil is integrated, the mayo is ready. We will just add up some fresh cut parsley on top. We are preparing a simple salad: romaine lettuce, cherry tomatoes and black olives. Once you add them in a bowl, we will dress it with sherry vinegar, salt and olive oil to your own taste. Mix well and set aside. Cut the hake in small fillets. We are leaving the skin on, although we won't eat it. If you don't like it, ask your fishmonger to remove it for you. Lightly salt the fillets. Get some flour in a bowl and cover your fillets on all sides. Pat the fillets to remove the flour excess. They should only have a fine flour coating. Get 2 eggs in a bowl and whisk them with a fork until the yolks and whites are integrated. Then add a pinch of salt and whisk for a few seconds. Add olive oil into a pan. For this we are using extra virgin olive oil, but feel free to use your favorite. Spain is one of the main producers of olive oil in the world, so we typically use it as the main source of fat in our dishes. The oil we use to fry the fish can be sieved and used again so nothing goes to waste. We will have to cover at least half of the fillets, so the amount depends on your pan. Set the heat to medium-high. You can know if the oil is hot enough by pouring some of the egg mix in. If it starts bubbling up, it is ready. One by one, take the Hake fillets and cover them with the egg mix. Then start frying them in the pan. Start with the thicker ones so that they cook evenly. If your fish has the skin on, start cooking that side first. You will know they are ready when they are golden. It should take around 3 minutes on each side. Put kitchen paper on a plate and take the fillets out. Rotate them briefly in the kitchen paper so that they lose the excess of fat and move them to another plate. If you leave them too long in the kitchen paper, they might get dry. We will just set half of the salad and 2 or 3 fillets per plate and the mayo on the side. It is a very light and juicy fish. You will see that the batter is very thin and light, perfect for any time of the year. We hope you try to make it. If you do, please let us know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Enjoy it.